Good afternoon to all the people present here. First of all, I'd like to say that I'm really very honored to listen Your Holiness Dalai Lama. Sir, today we find violence all around. As you talked against violence and you said that we must spread peace everywhere. Envy and jealousy is found even in our homes. We feel that our family members are our competitors. If my brother is earning more than me, I think that I must earn more than him. So, sir, what all steps we can take in order to do away with this jealousy, this feeling that we are having these days?
Yes, that is, you see, due to lack of knowledge about the different value of these different emotions. So, generally speaking, anger is part of our life. Person who show easily anger and use harsh word, apparently more people then they recognize you more able person. I think whole society, you see, very much they carry materialistic life and materialistic culture. I feel that's a source of problem. We have to change that, not through prayer, not through religious practice, but through education. So if our society really happy, good, then no need make new effort. But as you rightly mentioned, this very moment, I think same human being, same planet, killing each other, facing starvation. Like Syria, although I think yesterday or day before yesterday, suppose they create some kind of trust, peace, and violence. But again, it's some violence you see coming. And then also in a South African country, even starvation. So the today's world, I think very, very unhealthy situation. All these man-made problem. So it is logically our responsibility to reduce these things, not through prayer. We create a lot of problem and pray to God or Buddha. It's illogical. If Buddha or Jesus Christ come, if you ask, please bring peace, then I think most probably Buddha or Jesus Christ, I think will tell us, because will respond, who create violence? Not God, not Buddha. So human being, I think according theistic religion, give us very kindly the free will. So we use wrong way. So since this problem, human being created, so it's our responsibility to solve this problem, not through prayer. So therefore, I feel, I think the event in 20th century, at the early part of 20th century, when nation declare war on other neighbors or other nation, I think generally every citizen of that nation proudly joined war effort. Now that kind of situation, later part of 20th century, completely changed. Since I think Vietnam War, the peace movement, then really start and increasing. About the Iraq crisis, about to happen from Australia and Europe and up to America. Millions of people because of the two-part demonstration against the violence, war. So this is, I think look, European Union, the member state in early part of 20th century, killing each other, fighting each other. For example, French and German. Now, after Second World War, they realize now war is mutual destruction. Better to live together and think common interest. That is the reason to create European Union. So these are sort of, what's it, the reason we should be more optimistic. So within the same century, much change. So now this century, if we make effort, mainly through education, I'm quite sure later part of this 21st century can be more peaceful, more compassionate. That I feel.